Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file a complaint in CPGRAMS. To begin, navigate to the official CPGRAMS portal on your preferred web browser. Once there, you will see options for new users to register and existing users to log in. This platform is designed to make it straightforward for you to communicate your concerns directly to the relevant government body. Always ensure you are on the legitimate government website before proceeding. If you are a new user, select the New User Registration option and fill in the required personal information, including your mobile number for verification. Existing users simply enter their username and password to log in. Upon successful login, you will find a prominent link or button, typically labeled Lodge Grievance or File Complaint, which will take you to the main complaint submission form. This is where your journey to resolving your concern truly begins. Once on the complaint form, carefully select the correct ministry or department that your grievance pertains to. Then, articulate your issue clearly and concisely in the provided text box, including specific details and any important dates. This clarity helps in quicker understanding and resolution. You should also upload any supporting documents, such as images or scan letters, to provide comprehensive evidence for your complaint. These attachments are crucial for a thorough review. Before you submit, take a moment to thoroughly review all the details you have provided, checking for any errors or omissions. Ensure your description is accurate and all supporting documents are correctly attached. Carefully read the declaration or terms and conditions, confirming your understanding and agreement. Once you are completely satisfied, click the Submit button to finalize your complaint. You will then receive a unique registration number, which is very important for future reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.